Hello and welcome to Neethu's Nest. Today's recipe is something which most of us love to have. So let us go ahead and see how we can make chocolates at home. First take a saucepan, in that add some water, and by double boiling method into the bowl add 3/4 cup of coconut oil and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now you can add half cup of powdered sugar and mix it well. Now to this add 6 tablespoons of milk powder. Here I am using vanilla essence so that it will cut down the coconut flavor. Now add half cup of cocoa powder plus 1 teaspoon of instant coffee powder and stir this well. For this recipe, instead of sugar, you can also add honey to this, but make sure once you remove from the heat only you add it. You will have to add around 5 tablespoons of honey if you are using it. Now take this off the heat and you can pour this into a chocolate mold and keep this in the refrigerator for about half an hour until it is set. Now after half an hour you can see that the chocolates are set. Now you can unmold it and serve. Now let us see another method of making chocolate. To a saucepan add 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of water and caramelize this. Once you get this color, to this add the dry fruits and nuts. Here I have taken cashew, almonds and some raisins. Now you can switch off the flame and transfer this into a bowl and let it harden. By double boiling method, take around 200 gram of dark chocolate compound or milk chocolate compound and let it melt. Once it is completely melted, you can switch off the flame and take this off the heat. To this add 1 teaspoon of instant coffee powder. Add the caramelized nuts. You can first blend it in a mixie and then add the powder to this. If you don't want to caramelize it also, you can directly add some roasted nuts and badam. Make sure you chop it into small pieces and then add to this mixture. Now you can add some whole nuts and raisins if you want. Put this mixture into a chocolate mold and freeze it for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it is set. Molds what I have used here are silicone molds which you get it in some of the stores, which are specifically used for making chocolates. The chocolate compound what I have used here, you get it in other variations too, that is white compound or the milk compound. So you can make it according to your choice. The cost involved here is very less compared to the store-bought ones. Give this a gentle tap. After 15 minutes, the chocolates are set. Now you can unmold them and it is all ready to eat. I must say these are really yummy ones. If you want to gift somebody, you can use these chocolate wrappers which you get in the stores. Wrap them up and tie it with these twines. They all look like the store-bought ones. Why to go for the store-bought ones when you can make these yummy treats at home? Do try it at home and let me know your feedback. See you in the next video with another yummy recipe. Thank you for watching.